Welcome. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're building an AI chatbot, a fascinating project that will introduce you to the basics of AI and natural language processing. Think of it as a digital friend you can talk to by typing messages. It's like having a conversation with a computer program. Imagine texting a program you created, crafting its responses and guiding its interactions. You'll be deciding what it says and how it thinks, shaping its digital personality. It's all about programming intelligence. Building a chatbot is like being a digital magician, conjuring up a virtual companion. You're bringing a conversational creature to life with code, giving it the ability to understand and respond. Why build one? It's fun, it's engaging, and it's a great way to learn how computers understand language, process information, and generate responses. You could make a chatbot that tells jokes, brightening someone's day with a bit of digital humor. Or one that helps with homework, providing assistance and guidance to students. Maybe it pretends to be your favorite character, bringing a fictional world to life through conversation. You design its personality and teach it new words, expanding its vocabulary and shaping its character. It grows smarter with every interaction, learning from each conversation, and refining its responses. Think of a chatbot as a simple brain, a blank canvas ready to be filled with knowledge. It starts out knowing nothing, completely dependent on your guidance and instruction. You teach it to recognize words and respond logically, building its understanding of language and conversation. It's like training a parrot with code, teaching it to mimic and respond in specific ways. We'll start with simple rules, the foundation upon which we'll build our chatbot's intelligence. For example, if someone says hello, it says hi back, a basic greeting and response. And we'll build from there, adding complexity and sophistication as we go. This guide is for beginners, designed for those with little to no prior coding experience. And we'll break everything down into easy steps, making the learning process smooth and enjoyable. No complicated jargon. We'll avoid technical terms and complex explanations. Just simple analogies and core ideas, focusing on the fundamental concepts behind chatbot development. By the end, you'll have a working chatbot, a tangible result of your coding efforts, and new confidence in your tech skills, empowering you to tackle future coding projects with enthusiasm. So grab your keyboard, prepare your coding environment, and get ready for an incredible adventure into the world of AI and chatbot creation. All aboard the coding train, let's get started. Before we dive headfirst into building our very own chatbot, it's crucial that we take a moment to prepare. Think of it like gearing up for an exciting adventure. Let's gather our programming tools. Just like a carpenter needs a hammer and saw, we need specific tools to craft our digital companion. First, variables. Think of them as boxes or containers to store information. They are essential for holding data that our chatbot will use and manipulate. This could be something simple, like a user's name, or something more complex, like the content of a message they send. Next, conditionals. These are the if-then statements that give your chatbot the power to make decisions based on different inputs. They are the logic behind the interaction. For example, if the user says hello, the chatbot replies with hi there. It's a simple interaction, but it demonstrates the power of conditionals. Loops are another key tool. They let your chatbot keep checking for new messages, constantly monitoring the conversation for user input. This happens without repeating code, making your chatbot efficient and responsive. A loop keeps your chatbot ready for conversation, always listening and waiting for the next interaction. Data structures help organize information, ensuring that your chatbot can quickly access and process the data it needs. A list is like a shopping list. Store multiple greetings and pick one at random for variety, making each interaction feel a little more unique. A dictionary maps questions to answers like, how are you? To I'm a robot, I'm doing great. This allows your chatbot to understand and respond to a wide range of queries. These basics, variables, conditionals, loops, and data structures, are the foundation of your chatbot's brain, the core components that enable it to function and interact with users. With these, you can create dynamic, interactive conversations that feel natural and engaging. We'll use them all as we build our chatbot, putting each tool to work to create a functional and intelligent digital assistant. Ready? Let's move on to the next step. Your toolkit is packed. You're now equipped with the fundamental concepts needed to start building your chatbot. Now let's talk about chatbot frameworks. These are essential tools in the world of AI-driven conversations. They are the engines behind chatbots, providing the structure and functionality that allows these digital assistants to understand and respond to user input. A framework is like a car chassis. It's the underlying structure upon which everything else is built. The hard parts, the foundational elements, are already built, so you can focus on the design, the user experience, and the specific features that make your chatbot unique. Dialogflow by Google is a beginner-friendly option, perfect for those just starting their chatbot journey. With Dialogflow, you define what your chatbot listens for, the specific phrases and keywords, and how it responds to those inputs. You can manage all of this through a simple, intuitive website interface, making the development process accessible to everyone. Dialogflow's AI understands different ways people talk, leveraging natural language processing to interpret user intent. This means you don't have to code every single variation of a phrase. The AI handles the nuances of human language. Rasa is another excellent choice. It's more customizable and open source, offering greater flexibility for experienced developers. Rasa gives you full control over your chatbot's logic and data, allowing you to fine-tune its behavior and personalize the user experience. If you want to build everything from scratch, gaining a deep understanding of the underlying technology, libraries like NLTK and Python let you handle language processing yourself, giving you ultimate control over every aspect of your chatbot. Ultimately, frameworks save time and let you focus on creativity, allowing you to bring your unique vision to life. Choose the one that fits your style, your technical expertise, and your overall goals for the chatbot. Now, with these frameworks in mind, let's build a simple chatbot. Time to build. We'll make a simple chatbot in Python. First, install Python and open a text editor. Start with a welcome message using use a loop to keep the chatbot running. Inside the loop, get user input. Add decision-making with statements. If the user types bye, print a goodbye message and use to exit. Add more responses with, for anything else, use that's it. You've built a basic chatbot that can greet, answer, and say goodbye. Try running your code and chatting with your new digital friend. Experiment by adding more responses or changing its personality. Each new rule makes your chatbot smarter. You just created your first AI conversation. Chatbots are everywhere. You've probably chatted with one on a business website. They answer questions like, where is my order, and free up human agents for tougher problems. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are advanced chatbots that understand your voice and context. In healthcare, chatbots remind patients to take medicine or offer mental health support. In education, they act as tutors, helping you practice languages or solve math problems. Chatbots provide instant, personalized help and make learning interactive. From ordering food to learning new skills, chatbots are part of daily digital life. Your simple chatbot is just the beginning. You've built your first chatbot. Congratulations! Now experiment and make it your own. Change its responses or give it a unique personality. Cheerful, grumpy, or anything you like. Make replies less predictable by creating a list of greetings and picking one at random. Try giving your chatbot memory. Ask for the user's name and use it in responses. Personalization makes conversations feel real. Want a bigger challenge? Connect your chatbot to the internet to fetch weather or news using APIs. Every experiment teaches you something new. Stay curious and keep asking, what if? Each tweak is a step toward a smarter chatbot. The possibilities are endless. Keep tinkering and learning. We've journeyed from what is a chatbot to building one yourself. You learned programming basics and explored powerful frameworks. Every expert started with simple code, just like you did today. Don't worry about mistakes. Debugging is part of the process. The world of AI is always evolving, so there's always more to learn. Take your chatbot and make it unique, helpful, funny, or just plain weird. Your text editor is your canvas. Programming is your paint. You have the tools. Now create something amazing. The power to bring ideas to life is in your hands. Happy coding, and I can't wait to see what you build.